Hey, what up? You already know what it is, man. It's your boy Runway Billionaire. You see who I'm here with, man. You know what I'm saying? To get that bag for you having bad credit. Listen, if you're not going to be at the Credit Summit in September or just any summit that he going to have, man, I don't know where you're going to be, man. He's going to give you all the tools to help you get your bad credit and get paid for it, man. Go ahead, talk to him, man.
All right, so what a lot of y'all don't know. So here in Atlanta, Georgia, right, credit repair was illegal. Why? I ain't going to drop no name, but because somebody is here, Equifax. Anyway, so right now, credit repair is fully legal in the state of Georgia, and there hasn't been any credit conference here. So for those of you that missed the first credit summit, y'all need to pull up to the next one, September 29, 30, and October 1st, here in Atlanta, Georgia. Now, my guy Runway is supposed to be there, but my man got some emergency. He won't be able to be there, so he's blessing us right now and letting y'all know the importance of credit and basically how he was able to build an 8-figure empire leveraging credit. So talk to the people, bro.
Hey, man, listen. You got to understand how credit is a tool. A lot of us don't understand how we supposed to use credit to build up our business, and it's literally the gateway that's going to allow you. So I was using credit to run my payroll. I was using credit to run ads to have more people see me so I could generate more revenue. And then, you know, we got some other credit plays that we only going to share at the summit. So listen, but I want y'all to understand how important it is, man. Don't take how I look or how this brother look as an opportunity for be able to be like, yo, come to the summit. No, it's information that's not taught in school. It's information that people are not in our community that's given to you. So my guy's putting together a summit to be able to give you the information, to give you what you can't even go to college and get a student loan debt that he gonna show you how to do your thing. But listen, it's not about you having access to the information. It's about you being around information that you didn't have and being around people who gonna give you the information so you no longer have to experience the trauma and the devastating experiences that you had to have in life. And it all starts with you having the financial literacy. So look, make sure y'all pull up, make sure y'all there, make sure y'all get y'all tickets. Let's go.